In a small neighborhood, there was a young man named Jack. He was 26 years old and looked like any other person in the area. But one thing made him different. Every day, Jack did a job that no one else wanted to do. He worked as the garbage collector. At first, people didn't think much of him. They thought he was doing this job because he didn't have any skills. They thought he was just wasting his time. Why is he doing this? They asked. He's young. He could do something better. But Jack didn't care about what others thought. He just worked quietly, collecting the trash every day. For a whole month, Jack worked as the garbage collector. Every morning, people would see him carrying the trash bags. They would talk about him. Some said, "He has no future. Look at him, collecting trash every day. He's not doing anything important." Others thought he was lazy. He should try to find a better job, they said. But Jack didn't listen. He knew he was doing the right thing. He was helping someone in need. After 1 month, the old garbage collector returned. Jack's work was done, and things went back to normal. People forgot about Jack's job as the garbage collector. It was just another part of their daily lives. Then, something happened that surprised everyone. Jack appeared on national TV. People were shocked to see him. He wasn't just a garbage collector. He was a young scientist working on an important national project. He had a significant role in a scientific project that could help the country. On the TV show, Jack shared his story. He explained that the old garbage collector had become sick. The old man couldn't work, but he didn't want his family to worry. So, Jack decided to take over the job. He didn't want the family to know the truth because he didn't want them to feel sad or worried. Jack didn't care about what people thought. He just wanted to help someone in need, even if no one knew about it. After hearing Jack's story, the people in the neighborhood were amazed. They realized they had judged him too quickly. They didn't know the real reason he had done that job. Now, they understood that sometimes people do things for reasons we don't know. They realized that judging others too quickly is not fair. Jack wasn't just a garbage collector. He was a young man with a big heart and a lot of talent. From that day on, people in the neighborhood looked at Jack with respect. They knew that it wasn't always about the job someone did, but about the reasons behind their actions. Jack's story became a lesson for everyone. It reminded people to be kind and not to judge others based on what they see. Sometimes, the things we do in silence can be the most important.